Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my very first grocery shop. I know, really weird type of video. I've actually had a few requests to do it, so I thought I'll give it a go. It's a Sunday morning and we are going to go grocery shopping, and I'm going to show you what I usually get at the shop to eat. So this will go along with my keto lifestyle videos and weight loss videos, and yeah, I'll show you what's what at the supermarket. All right, let's go. I'm gonna get some green beans. Green beans to have with our vegetables. Maybe green basil. Oregano to make my apple sauce. I'm gonna get capsicum. There's not too many here. Maybe like this one. I like red capsicum. We just steam it up. I am gonna taste the onions. I love putting onions in all my recipes. Let's get the grass-fed beef. So that's the best one you can get. And you want to skip all of this section. You definitely want to skip these. Definitely. Now I always shop with the macro free range in Woolworths, and I get 5 fillets bulk, or whatever. It's just that they have more fat rather than the breast fillets. So you want to get some of these. Asparagus is really good. Asparagus, broccoli, beans, zucchini is really good, and personal favourite, broccolini. Not so good idea. I don't actually need any at the moment, but I thought I'd show you. So here's the artificial sugar area. Now I personally have these in my cup of tea, and I've used some of that before. I don't like the taste of stevia, unfortunately, or stevia. Yeah, you can get some good ones online as well. And here is almond meal. Either one of these is really good. That's what I use to make my schnitzels and my rissoles as well. Now you want to get the Kerrygold butter because it is grass-fed cows, which is excellent. So much better for you. From the fridge section. But anything around 80 or above, 85% can be a bit bitter, but this one is a nice spot. So I need to get some diced tomatoes for my sauce, but you want to make sure that they have no added sugar on the back. So you want to look at ingredients. This has got tomatoes, tomato juice, salt. So you probably don't want those ones. These ones. So tomatoes, juice paste. So there's 100% tomatoes in these ones. So these will be great. We don't currently need any sauce, but I always get the no added sugar with my sauce. And I didn't think it was an issue, but there's a lot of sugar added in normal tomato sauce. You wouldn't believe it. Okay, so we usually get these eggs, I think, but we want to check them, making sure that they're okay. So cheese, I really love the perfect pizza cheese to make cheese biscuits and to put on top of the parmesanas. And I like getting the cheese slices as well, for a few different various reasons. Here's our shopping trolley so far. Don't mind the sugars, they are for baking. But yeah, full of keto stuff. Okay, so we just got home and I have unpacked the groceries. Now keep in mind that this grocery shop was just kind of like a top up. It's not like a full grocery shop where we get everything, just things that we need. While I did get these things today, it's not, my diet isn't limited to these things. I still have things at home that I will use throughout the week and everything like that. So I'll just show you what I got today. So as I showed, I have the diced bacon. Now this is great for putting in the freezer as well. I just put it in like a freezer bag and then take it out as I need. So I got some of that. I have some tea here, so I'll take one packet to work as well because I just like tea. And as I said, I put an equal tablet in it and I put a dash of full cream milk. I have my diced tomatoes to make my Napoli sauce, and I have my grass-fed beef. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but I'll make some kind of thing. And then we've got the cheese slices and the perfect pizza cheese. I've been making cheese biscuits out of this lately, so I just put some cheese baking paper on a tray and put some like cheese, like grated cheese in little clumps and then just bake it until it's nice and brown, and then have them as like biscuits. And then we have some eggs because Dean and I have a lot of eggs anyway. And then I have the oregano and basil for my sauce. We've got my green beans here, my onions, my broccoli, capsicum, and my asparagus. So that is all for my grocery shop today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to thumbs up if you want to see more. And don't forget to check out my weight loss playlist down below, and let me know if you want any kind of an update or types of videos that you would like to see. I have plenty more what I ate in a day coming your way. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.